birthday, Boss Guys. Today is your day. 16 years of blessings in every way. Your brothers and family are proud of you. We'll stand by your dreams in all that you do. Maligayang bati, mahal naming Wild John. Puno ng pag-ibig mula sa aming tanan. Suporta at dasal, laging nakaabang para sa iyong plano at pangarap na walang hanggan. Dad, why, and Mom Lee say, anak, we're so proud. With your goals and your passion, you'll shine out loud. Kasamang pamilya sa hirap at ginhawa, we'll cheer for your journey ngayon at habang buhay pa. Happy birthday, Boss Guys. Our love is true. From Wild James and Wild Steven, we'll walk with you. Nilas pumalang ang bagan, Villanueva to Abamatin at ang Labrador. All love you. Your AMCM, the family wishes you the best. Oh, with passports and records, you'll pass every test. Sa core ng buhay, ikaw ay panalo. Sa suporta ng lahat, ikaw ay bravo. Wild Brothers forever, kapit kamay. Suporta ng pamilya, sandas mo'y gabay. Boss Guys, mahal ka namin patunay. Maligayang kaarawan, sa'yo'y tagumpay.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jan. Happy birthday, Kuya Jan. Happy birthday, dear Kuya Jan. Happy birthday, Kuya Jan.
Happy birthday,
Kuya Jan. Happy birthday, Kuya Jan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya Jan.
Love you, Kuya Jan.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jan. Enjoy your day.
Sana makapunta ka dito ni Kuya James na isang weekend para makabanding-banding tayo.
Happy birthday!
Baliw, nag-uusap tayo. At tapos ayun na nga.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jan! More wins, more chicks. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Ikaw, ang message mo? Ang message mo?
Siniga talaga. ChatGPT, saan ka ba? Happy birthday, Kuya Jan! I'm always talaga nanonood sa mga laro mo kasi talagang ganun ako eh. Na-miss mo yung paglalaro natin. Maghintay ka, kakalabanin kita.
Baka, ano, pulbusin ka lang.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday dyan.
Hindi ka nag-aaral. Hindi ka nagsasalita.
Uy! Ayan!
Birthday mo ako na dyan! Ito naman yung kanta.
Dyan,
Happy birthday!
panalo matalo.
Pogi ka pa rin.
Whatever there is it, dapat happy ka. Yun lang, enjoy mo lang ang laro.
Yes, happy
Happy
birthday!
Kuya Jan!
Happy birthday Kuya Jan! More championship and medals.
Happy birthday Kuya Jan! Bukas flight na namin. So, magkita-kita tayo sa Pilipinas. Good luck! Ay, uy!
Happy birthday Jan! More blessings sa professional career. Napakagaling mo badminton player. Kaya proud kami sa'yo.
Yes, happy birthday!
Birthday ni Jack.
Mag-usap tayo.
Birthday mo pala! Mag-ingat ka dyan ha. Ano, alagaan ang chicks. Chicks! Ano, good boy lang, good boy. Kasi dapat sabi ka sa birthday namin sa usapan. Ay, kuya dyan, ingat ka dyan. Balik sa usapan.
Balik sa sa. Okay, good. Hey. Oh, wish.
Sana bumalik ako sa banat at tumangkad.
Yan. Okay, yan.
Uy, Jan! Happy birthday! On smashing!
Yun. Nice one.
Hindi pa mag-ano, magsasalita eh. Ayun na pala. Happy birthday Kuya Jan! Galing mo palagi at lagi ka mag-iingat. At proud na proud namin yung mga parents sa'yo. So, God bless at saka more chicks to come. Tito ang Angilaki.
Jan, happy birthday! Good luck sa mga games mo. Sana mag-champion na ulit. And ingat!
Yeah.
Jan, happy birthday! Enjoy lang and enjoy lang sa paglalaro at alam kong gagaling ka palalo. Enjoy lang ang Panchi Chicks din.
Hi John, happy birthday. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung day mo. Continue being you. Always have fun. Stay safe palagi and God bless.
Happy birthday, Jan! We love you!
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Kuya John! I wish that you will be healthy all the time and that you will win all the championships. We wish you all the best. We love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Jan. Enjoy your day. We love you.